Hello everyone. Thank you very much for your splendid and very good feedback towards my channel and my talk. Today I wanted to speak about anger management. Anger management is very important. It will give you very good career, and or otherwise it will destroy your career if you cannot control the anger. It is only just one word away from the danger. So that's the importance of the anger management. And many times people are going for the suicide, murder, and spoiling the relations, destroying the things, destroying the relations. Lot of things are happening just because of anger only. So that's the importance of anger. Why people are getting anger? If somebody are commenting, somebody are criticizing, somebody are saying something to the people and taking into the heart, in any of such situations people are getting anger. Suppose people are commenting at you, ignore the comments of the others. If people are criticizing you, think it twice whether it's positive or negative. If it is positive, accept it and improve it. Go ahead, say thank you to them, and then that's it, accepting. Negative, ignore it. That's it. Like this, you can control the situations, you can control your mind. This is the way to handle the situations. There is one good poem in Telugu. That is Vemana Shatakam, Tana Kopame Tana Shatru, Tana Shantame Tanaku Raksha. It means whenever you are angry, so it will destroy you. Whenever you are cool, it will protect you like anything. It does not mean that all the time you must be like a cold storage cool. If you are cool all the time, people will take undue advantage of your coolness. So that is why according to the situation you have to act. How to act? At one situation I tell you, sometimes you can control the things with your soft words. Use cool words, polite words, you can use it. With that words you can control the things. Second thing is, use the appropriate words, harsh words, you can use it. But choose the words what you are using it. And third thing is that just blast the people, blast the situation, because you have to control. So how to blast? Here you have to be very careful to whom you are talking. To whom you are talking. So right person, right place, right situation, this is very important. Then blast it, that things will comes under control. So in this way you can control the things. So be careful. I'll tell you few tips of how to control this angerness. The first tip is that count the numbers. How to count the numbers? First, in the initial stage, count only 10 numbers. Top 10 to 1, descending order. 10, cool, cool, control, control, say these words. Then 9, cool, control. And then 8, like this you can come down. After counting 10, if you are unable to control, then count 100, no problem, but you will come down. And also one more thing you can remember, whenever you are counting yourself, you should be cool, comfortable, and control your nerves and everything. Keep your mind, presence of mind and everything. And second tip I wanted to give you, it will work out wonderfully with the good relations. For example, with husband and wife, siblings, friends, and anybody, it will work out. What is this technique is, whenever you are wrong, admit it quickly. Whenever you are right, shut up. I repeat, whenever you are wrong, admit it quickly. Whenever you are right, shut up. It does not mean that you are going to come down and you are accepting and then you are coming down in front of the others. Nothing will happen. They are your close friends. They are your very much affectionate people. With that people, controlling yourself and keeping yourself quiet, it will not make you down. In fact, your value will increase in the eyes of the others. You can add up some more thing also, like you can use simple words like thank you, sorry, I made a mistake, please forgive me. Small words which makes a lot of difference to handle the situations. So the situation will become normal. And later they will realize if they made any mistake, right? So this is the second technique. And third technique is smile. Anger management, smile, yes. Especially whenever you are in anger situation, whenever you are very furious, blasting and something is going badly, just laugh inside. Don't laugh in front of others and situation will become different. Laugh inside. And plastic smile you can keep. Then your body language, if you keep it, situation will become normal. So how to keep this plastic smile? Just be cool, and smile. This is very easy to say, but practically you need some time and some energy to control yourself. So practice it, it will also work out. And the fourth tip which I want to give is auto-suggestion. Auto-suggestion means you know that you are losing your temper, you are angry, you know the situation, your mind is not under control. In any of such situation, tell to yourself, you are losing your control. Now don't talk anything, don't take any action, keep quiet, don't talk, don't act. So like you give suggestions to yourself and keep quiet. And sometimes you have to take some action, or you have to show your response, or you have to give your decision. In any of such situation also, you take a nap, maybe 2 hours nap, 1 hour nap, or otherwise go home, sleep well, next day come back and act for the same situation, and your decision or your handling way is different than the previous one, because you slept very well, your mind is cool, your action will be something different. So like this, give auto suggestions to yourself, act according to the situation. These are the 4 tips, just to follow it. And once upon a time, I was having a very anger, and then I used to be very short-tempered person. And one of my guru, mentor and my teacher, Shri R.V. Kondal Reddy sir, who was the KIM principal, he told me, "Madam, you have very good enough stuff and knowledge. Just control your emotions and anger. You'll be a wonderful person." I remember these words and I'm following it. I wanted to say the same words to all of you. You all are having very good knowledge. You all are talented. You have enough knowledge and enough time to learn a lot. Ignore the comments of others, ignore the situations. Just focus on your career. If you can control your anger, definitely you'll be wonderful. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. You'll be finding a lot of my videos. Thank you very much for watching this channel and watching my videos. And to conduct any kind of workshops, you can contact me. My phone number and email is there in my channel. You can call me, you can get back to me. I thank you once again. Wish you all the best. Keep smiling, control your anger. Bye.